Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So after waiting forever and you guys asking me when are you getting your mystery boxes, I finally got my Jeffree Star mystery boxes, the holiday collection. I did get all 3 boxes, so let's go ahead and unbox all 3 of them and we will get started. They put a lot of pink paper in here. Still more paper. Okay, I can see my boxes now, so we're good. Okay, so here we have the small box, finally opened. And I believe, okay, it only has 3 products in it. So we have the first product is a lip scrub. We have Lemon Sucker, which I already have, so this is definitely going to be a giveaway prize. The next thing we have is a velour liquid lip. This is in the shade 818, which I believe is a peachy shade. And then the last product, which I heard there was a bunch of issues or controversies, which is probably why we got our money back. Because a lot of people thought that their product was going to be a cosmetic item, and this isn't a cosmetic item. However, these are Jeffree Star stickers, which I think is super cute. I love that they were only a part of the mystery box, so you can't just order the stickers, so no one else has these but those who purchase the mystery boxes. And I mean, these are super cute if you like the designs. I mean, I think all of these are super cute. The box wasn't that expensive, so I'm not mad that it was a part of the box. You still get a deal for having all 3 of these, so I like them. I think they're cute. Not mad about it. Alright, so here's the box finally opened. Oh, there's stickers in this one too. Okay. So here we are. Ooh. More tissue paper. At least I can wrap presents later. So the first product here is another set of stickers. I don't know if they're different or not. No, they're the same kinds of stickers. So they're the same exact styles. But that's okay. So the first thing I have here is a liquid highlighter, Liquid Frost in the shade Goddess. I'm not usually going to take these out because I always do giveaways with my mystery boxes, and I already have this shade, so I'm not going to take it out. You guys already know what this looks like. The next 2 products we have are lipsticks. And, oh, okay, so I've been wanting this lipstick shade, so I'm probably going to keep it. This is the Velour Liquid Lip in the shade Mermaid Blood. So it's a dark blue color. And I'm actually really happy that this was in the box because I tried to purchase it when Jeffree Star did the 40% off, I think, liquid lipsticks. And it sold out so freaking quick, which I was shocked because I didn't think anyone would want that color. But it sold out, so I'm happy that it's here because that's one of the colors that I definitely wanted. The next one is the mystery shade, the mystery Christmas shade, which is a red, and I think it's a glittery red. I don't know if it's kind of like poinsettia. Let's see if I can open it. Alright, so this is the mystery holiday shade. This looks a lot like poinsettia. Where is mine? I'm gonna compare the 2 because it really looks the same. Okay, so I pulled out my poinsettia. I think that's how you call it. Because I really wanted to see how close or similar it is to this one. I can definitely tell in my hands now that the Christmas mystery shade is a lot more red. So I don't know if you can see in the camera. Okay, there we go. So this one is the Christmas mystery shade, and then this one is poinsettia. So you can definitely see one is more red than the other. And then I did swatch it on my hand, which I don't know if you can see. The top shade is the Christmas mystery shade, and then the bottom is poinsettia. So it's definitely more red, not drastically, but it is more red. So I think poinsettia has like a hint of an orange undertone because this is a true red. So I do see the difference now with them together. But when I first pulled this out of the packaging, I could have sworn this was poinsettia because I just used it the other day. So I was like, are you sure? But it's not. Okay, so moving on to this is blue. I don't know why I'm questioning what this is when I can tell from the outside that it's Blue Blood, but this is Blue Blood, which I am super thrilled about because I had just gotten blood sugar the other day. So I have Blue Blood finally. And I know you guys already know what this looks like, but I haven't seen this in person, so I'm going to take it out so that we can look at it together because I want to see it. First of all, this packaging is gorgeous. This whole, I love this blue. This is so pretty. So, I mean, I'm sure you guys have seen this a million times, but I'm just going to show it off because I finally got it. I am so freaking excited. Like, I was excited with the last mystery box that he put the mini Jawbreaker in it because it gives everyone a chance to try his palettes, but he put his Blue Blood palette, I can't even talk. I'm so excited. He put his Blue Blood palettes in the mystery box that I'm super thrilled about. I know a lot of people, I know a lot of people got his palettes during the 40% off deal or 30% off, whatever it was. So it's probably a bummer if you got this twice now. But if you were trying Jeffree Star for the first time with these mystery boxes and you got Blue Blood in your mystery box, like, that's one hell of a deal. So super excited about this one. All right, so here we have the deluxe box. We're gonna go ahead and see what's in here. So the first thing that I see is a hoodie. Come on. I need to put this box down. So here we have a hoodie. This was his hoodie for the 5th anniversary for Jeffree Star. So I didn't even get a chance to look at it because by the time I was looking at the hoodies and everything else for the holiday collection, everything was already sold out. So here we have the hoodie. It's in purple and I got the size small, which kind of looks big, but I don't think it's big. Okay, well. Okay, so moving on, we have another set of stickers, which I'm not mad about. I did buy 3 of the boxes, and I know that Jeffree probably doesn't do these boxes expecting people to purchase all 3 of them, so I'm not mad about it. I figured I would get duplicates. But moving on, we have more tissue paper. The next product we have here is a Supreme Frost highlighting powder, and this is in the shade Candy Apple Drip, which is a green highlighter. The next thing we have, we have two Velour liquid lips. We have the shades Soft Serve. There we go. The shade Soft Serve and then the shade First Class. And we have a Jeffree Star straw, right? Yeah. I don't know why I was questioning it. I feel like, wasn't the other straws that he had like with a curve, or is it just me? Am I making things up? But it's a straight straw on the candy cane, or sorry, peppermint theme. So it's super cute. And then we have 2 more products. I'll do the highlighter last because I know a lot of people want to see those swatches. We have, I believe this is a Thirsty palette. Yeah. So there is another palette in the big box, the Thirsty palette. I do not own this one, so I'm also super excited. I did see some people get the other palette. I believe it's the Androgyny palette, but I really wanted this one over the Androgyny palette. So awesome. And I'm just opening because I've never actually even looked into this palette before. Okay, there's some pretty cute colors. I love these bottom 3 colors right here. In case you guys haven't seen the Thirsty palette. But if you're watching this video for Jeffree Star, I'm sure you have. But I'm still super excited because it looks completely different when you see it online to like when you see it in person. So super, super cool. Let me not break it now. The last product we have here is the Peppermint Frost highlighter that so many people are going crazy about. And so many people are selling it for upwards of $200. But here it is. I'm so excited to open it. Okay, it's here. I'm so excited. Alright, so we'll open it together. I'm going to look at it on the screen. Let's see, I hope I don't mess this up. It's so pretty. Oh my god, it is so cute. Oh my gosh, it smells like peppermint. Okay, it smells really, really good. So, okay, it smells exactly like peppermint. There's 3 shades. We have Ugly Sweater, Igloo Gold, and then Chocolate Ice. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all 3 of them. All right, so I just swatched them. And I know when I saw other people swatch them, for some reason, the swatches looked exactly the same. So I was like, okay, are they all the same exact thing? In person, these look like 3 different highlighters. But for some reason, on camera, I don't know if you can tell the different shades. Okay, well, I'm gonna try to help you out. Okay, I put my arm as close as I possibly can, but this first shade is the Ugly Sweater shade. It's like white with a hint of pink, and you cannot even see it on camera. The second one is Igloo Gold. However, it's like white. It's really, really light. And then the last one, which is Chocolate Ice, looks like a caramel color. But for some reason, this swatch on camera does not let you see what it's supposed to look. Let me try to mess with this lighting because it looks like 3 very different shades on my hand. Okay, so I tried changing the lighting, and you can see with the bottom shade, it's a little more brown, caramelly. I don't know if you can see the top has hints of pink. I'm trying to do this as close as I can. But I promise you, they look like 3 different shades. Maybe I can take a different photo. It smells nice, though. I mean, I can't show you guys what it really looks like, but it smells nice. I almost dropped it. Whew. People are here paying $200 for this palette, and I almost dropped it. Okay, we're good. All right, so that is everything in all 3 of the mystery boxes. Overall, I'm super happy with everything. I think he made an amazing holiday mystery box collection. So go Jeffree. Good job. I have no complaints. Nothing crazy, nothing that I was upset about. I mean, I did get some duplicates like the highlighter and the sugar scrub that I already have, but I'm not mad about it. Not that big of a deal. I give away prizes all the time, so that's fine. Fine by me. Super happy that the mystery shade, I didn't even pick the right one. The mystery shade is different than the poinsettia. I love having reds, especially glittery reds, so I do like having this one. And I think this Peppermint Frost is a super cute highlighter palette. It sucks that you can't tell on camera the different colors, but it's really, really pretty. I do like them. None of the shades are like bad, or not bad, but like not suitable for my skin type. I definitely believe I could wear all 3 shades. So I think this was an awesome palette. People should not be selling these palettes for like $200, but this is a super awesome palette, so I was very lucky to have this. And time for everyone's favorite part. I am, of course, going to have a giveaway with these boxes, so let's get that squared away. All right, so this giveaway is going to be a little bit different than some of my past giveaways. I know I've let you guys pick, there we go, which products you guys can win for the giveaway. But a lot of you guys, for some reason, pick products that I'm going to be keeping, so I can't count those entries when it's products that I'm going to be holding on to. So obviously the Peppermint Frost is going to be off limits because I already swatched it. I'm keeping it. And then the mystery shade is going to be off limits as well. But I will be having a surprise giveaway, one of these products. I think I will let you choose. I'll let the winner choose. So once I pick the winner, I'll let them choose from the stuff that I have and see what they like. All you have to do is make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and then comment below one of your social media handles so that I can contact you guys. Additional entries, of course, are always make sure you follow my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, and let me know that you're following me on any of those accounts so that I can count that as an entry. And in 2 weeks, I'll be picking a winner so that one of you guys get to try some Jeffree Star goodies. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have a great one. Bye.